Look very delicious, right? All the seafood rice.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your
Hello guys, Sono Logan. Now I arrived Jiaoxi is in the eastern coast of Taiwan. Actually, I was in the Yilan University for 4 years and I worked in the petrol station. Now I come back Yilan for a holiday for 3 days and it's a little bit raining. Later I will show you guys what does Yilan looks like. Ciao! Hey guys, we arrived. The first important thing is for my breakfast and lunch. And this one is called Break Sea Time Restaurant. We will see what they got. The food is delicious or not. Now they are getting ready. I think they will be ready in 5 minutes. Looks like they will move to another place on 12th of March. I just take a bus for 1 hour from Taipei to Jiaoxi. I didn't eat anything yet. And now almost 11, I will let you guys know what the sea looks like, okay? Ciao.
They wanna rise up while you drown.
We are the first customers. The bed is not too bad. The menu is right there. Also on the table have the small menu. You have to order right here. Then talk to the staff. Okay, just let me order first. Hey guys, it's incredible, right? So big, you can see my head. Very big. And the black chicken smell really, really good. Another dish, little bit spicy. Just let me try it. Look very delicious, right? All the seafood rice.
Paranoid, I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play.
So it's time for my lunch.
Better pray that I don't see your face at.
Hey guys, I just finished my lunch. Now I arrived. Here is called home. Play with animals, have fun, and just let me see. You have to buy the ticket first.
Down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded,
I don't need to run the cross.
be ruthless.
Just the ticket. You only can pay by cash.
That is your chance to be ruthless.
It's my ticket.
I'll make it look like I'm losing.
Okay, it's time to go inside.
And when they finally think you're wounded, that is your chance to be ruthless.
好。
That is your chance to be ruthless. Hey.
这个明细借我一下。等一下我们出来的时候呢，到柜台换礼物。专属的饲料包呢，现在就要收在包包或口袋里。啊，如果交在园区的话，等一下就喂不到天竺鼠了。
哦好。
等一下。
I'll fight for what I love with.
那这是商业。商业呢，等一下我发完了，我会一一说明怎么使用方式。的商业。
So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up.
这是2人 分的牧草，要小心哦，不要割到美女了。那刚刚夹链带收起来了。那个是为天竺鼠的，天竺鼠的饲料包里会有花朵嫩叶，它们比较喜欢吃。这硬硬的梗，它们很挑，几乎不吃，不吃或者是没喂完的，我们丢里面的垃圾桶，不要丢在它们家。桑叶呢，我们要握在根部，不要握在中间的位置，是给乌龟跟羊妹妹吃的。当动物吃到的第一口，一定要放手，尤其是乌龟，它有一定的咬合力，我们要小心我们的手。牧草也是要小心，因为牧草会割手。羊妹妹如果吃到了就给它，不要跟羊妹妹做拉扯的动作。狐獴繁天鸡因为饲料比较松散，不方便喂食。好，等我一下哦。好，我们先进园区。我们到里面空地，先喂羊妹妹，再到白色屋子看狐獴。好，草举高往前走哦，到前面马车那边再开始喂哦。好。
They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare.
上面可以放在口袋或者是包包，晚一点可以喂象龟。
好，
等一下我们到空地可以开始边走边喂，要保持移动哦。我们小只的话都是侏儒山羊，也是跳跳，它们都会跳起来。那大只是杜古迷羊。那目前这两只的话，这一只比较容易会去顶人家。现在稍微小心这一只哦，这一只。那小只每一只都会跳起来。
每一只都会跳起来。好。
手上没有草都可以摸它们，没关系，它们不会咬人。你可以拿一根，然后靠近它们的嘴巴，就是拿低一点，它们就不会跳起来了。因为他们比较喜欢整把的人，有时候会刚刚整把它就是撒娇顶人的意思。他是最喜欢撒娇的，他说想要吃东西都会这样。那这只小只的话，就是3个多月大的小朋友。这只黑头白身的。他们保持走动，他们就不会跳起来，或是一直对着，就是顶你们的，一直保持走动就可以了。那都可以摸它们没关系哦，这手上没有草都可以摸。对，小只毛会特别好摸，它们都是胎毛的毛，最软的时候。
它是不是睡着了？
对。
它眼睛闭起来了。
没有，它没闭，你可以叶子就是稍微碰到它，然后让它知道有叶子，它就会，你就稍微碰碰它的嘴巴，然后就会前吃了。有时候会睡觉，但比较少。我通常是晚上才会睡觉。
哦呦，我的手！
要让它吃前方，不要让它吃到后方。
我知道，但是那个是卷的。
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. Tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. The worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that.
这只是公的，它叫萌萌。
萌萌。
哇，你都知道名字哦？
对，每只动物都会名字，天竺鼠也会有名字，鸡也会有。
Prime, surround yourself with open minds. People can change your life. A few friends.
在睡觉吗？他在睡觉。
Just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress nervous, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and
还有翘一只脚起来，五角兽。
fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless.
休息了吧。
Hey kid.
Hey guys, now we finish, so we got a gift from here.
Everything you know that you could get, don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled
Thank you.
forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test.
Actually, here is a quite nice place. What do you think? You can be relaxed and play with animals, so cute. If you want, you must come to Jiaoxi, the homie. Okay, see you next place.
They should make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm moving.
I just went the wrong way. What? Why?
Then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Okay, my bad.